Hi, it's Adam Berg, Global Solutions Architect at Veeam Software. I'm here with Janine Walter from NetApp. Hi, Janine.
Hi, Adam.
Janine, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do at NetApp?
Sure. My name is Janine Walter, and I'm Senior Technical Marketing Engineer for Data Protection for all things ONTAP.
That's great. So, Janine, I'm having all these conversations with my customers these days, and they all revolve around cloud conversations. What are we doing in the hybrid cloud? What are we doing in the public cloud? What are we doing on premises? How do we get our data in and out of the cloud? What are Veeam and NetApp doing together to help answer some of these cloud questions our customers are having?
Right. I hear that question quite a bit too. And I think we have a really good answer. So, we can do backups from the storage snapshots. And now that we have the ability to get to the cloud with the cloud tier, it kind of just makes the ability to less impact on production by being able to do a storage snapshot. We create a backup from that, and then we create the cloud tier with our backup repository. So that kind of gives us the opportunity then to tier data off to the cloud, whether it be Azure or AWS, as well as Storage Grid. With the update 4, we've now incorporated Storage Grid. So if you need an on-premise solution for S3, we can incorporate the NetApp Storage Grid. So that gives customers a lot of flexibility, I think, in how they want to do that, whether they want an on-premises solution or if they want to go right natively into S3, into the cloud, they can go into AWS or Azure, and it just gives customers some more flexibility.
So NetApp and Veeam have a really great way to move data from on-premises up to a cloud tier. So what can we do with the data once it's up there?
Yeah, right. Like once it's there, it's like, can we use it? Can we do something with it? And having the ability to actually put the data to work once it's in the cloud is kind of what the functionality is all about, right? And cloud mobility is really where it's at right now, right? So most customers just don't have one single cloud solution. They want to be able to, spin up a solution in AWS and maybe move it or restore it to Azure, and the ability to move back and forth. And that's I think really what NetApp and Veeam bring to the table in the hybrid cloud solution.
So are you saying that we're able to take an on-premises, maybe it's a VMware backup, maybe it's a Hyper-V backup, or even bare metal, move it right to the cloud or move it right directly into an EC2 or Azure configuration?
Right, exactly. And then if we're in Azure and we want to move it to, say, AWS, we have the ability to do that as well.
Oh, so it's true cloud mobility. We're actually moving from cloud to cloud.
Exactly.
So what about cloud native workloads? Do we have that same capability?
Yes, and that's the other feature that's really interesting too, is the ability to back up data within the cloud itself, and then also the portability and movability within the clouds themselves. So once you have the data up there and you want to be able to utilize it and move it, you have the opportunity to do that as well.
So I can move data from that originated in the cloud, can I move that back on-prem?
Yes, even better. Yes, the ability to move it back down if you need to, and utilize it then back on-prem.
Wonderful.
Excellent.
Where can we find out more about NetApp and Veeam?
So sure, you can find that out at netapp.com/Veeam, and you can find me at J9Walter on Twitter.
Thank you so much.
Excellent. Thank you, Adam.